I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Divi Engine as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, go to the form page, and submit the form to retrieve it. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, the Divi engine has been successfully fetched. I will now change the field types for the email and phone numbers. Set action. Search and select action. Zendesk. Give here an API key, so please visit the Zendesk API token. Add access token. Give here a meaningful name. Save. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Zendesk site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully on the Zendesk site. Thanks for watching.